If things are not working for you, if no one is helping you, if you are stagnant in your business, maybe you have invested your money in different businesses and no one is paying off. Now, I want to tell you how you can use this natural remedy to solve that problem. Or maybe you feel that what is happening to you is as a result of spell being casted by unknown enemy, even known ones. This video is for you because this particular thing that I'm about to tell you, by God's grace, it is going to help you to remove negative energy and it will open your doors like light will begin to shine in your life. Things will begin to work the way it's supposed to be. If you're destined to be rich, when you are using this, your destiny will come out. Like that destiny that God has given to you will come out and it will open your third eyes to direct you to your destiny without beating around the bushes, without trying so many different businesses. Now, to do that, you need few ingredients. As you can see here in my front, I have like three different types of ingredients recipe that you can use to make this work perfectly well in your life. But before I go into that detail to tell you, please make sure that you watch this video. Do not even skip any part of this video. And I want to thank my newest subscribers for subscribing to my channel. And to my OGs, thank you for always stopping by. May God Almighty, the universe, may He bless you. Now, to do that, these are the ingredients that you're going to be needing. You need three beautiful ripe tomato. This is ripe tomato. Tomato has a lot of spiritual benefits. Mostly, it is used for attraction of wealth, open doors, success. That is what tomato signifies in the spiritual realm. So you need three tomatoes, ripe tomato. You need cinnamon powder. Then you need alligator pepper. You need only three seeds of alligator pepper. Just collect three seeds. Now, how will you make all these things to work? You are to help me to get your early morning urine. Early morning urine around 3 o'clock will be fine. Just get a white bowl. Weigh on that bowl. Now, these ingredients, you are to blend it. When you blend this particular tomato, filter it, then bring out the juice only. This alligator pepper, what you have to do, you just collect three seed. Now, add the tomato juice inside your early morning urine. Take this alligator pepper. Before you add this alligator pepper inside your early morning urine, you have to speak to this alligator pepper. Anything that you wish, speak this alligator pepper. I mean, the tree seed that you have already collected, speak to it, declare a word of prophecy, like a declaration to your success. You know what you want in this life. What you want and what I want is totally different. You get? Now, this is cinnamon powder. Take cinnamon powder, like half spoon, pour it inside your early morning urine. Let me say around 2 o'clock urine is perfect. It's very, very perfect. Then after you have done mixing all this thing inside your early morning urine, what do you do next? You have to leave this for 5 minutes. Now, after 5 minutes, use it to wash your face. As you're washing your face, be making a prayer. Don't worry. It might begin to, give you some kind of a scratch. Don't worry. If it's happened like that, that means there is something negative that is removing out from your life. Now begin to prophesy to yourself as you're washing your face. After that, wash your leg. That this leg that you're washing will not take you to a place that your enemy will destroy it. In fact, it will not take you to a place of destruction. That your leg will take you to a place where opportunity will locate you. That your leg is blessed from today. Any bad thing that you have matched from your leg that has entered through your leg inside your body, that today that you are removing it. I don't know if you're getting me. Then after that, After you must have done that, allow yourself to at least rest for like more 5 minutes. Then you can now use normal water to bet around within that 4 or 5, just to make sure that you did not start smelling piece. I know that you'll be uncomfortable at the time that you're going to do this. So when you are done doing it, guys, let me tell you what will happen. Your road will open and your third eye will open. Secondly, if there is any spell, any negative spell casted on you by an unknown and unknown enemy, by so doing, it will remove automatically and your road will open. Like your road will open. Success will locate you. Favor will locate people that doesn't help you in the past. They will begin to help you. Even if you have an uncle or sister who have rejected you for years, for long, they're not helping. Just go ahead and there is nothing on earth that you will lack. Now, this particular recipe, at least you are expected to perform it once in a week. Oh my God. Once in a week. Let me tell you, once you are doing this once in a week, you will never lack of money. You will not lack any good thing. In fact, you will never jam any bad thing in this your life. You understand? So, guys, that's it. Just the end of this recipe. And if you have watched up to this hour, you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please hit that red button that says subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos, you will get notification. Please, after watching this video, share this video, like, and leave your comment under the comment section. See you on my next video. Do have a lovely night rest. Bye.